Hey Web3 fans, it's Bex here from Nifty World, and I've got an apology to make. I'm really sorry I've been a little bit tardy for the last few weeks, and I want to come on here and explain to you why. I always feel like for someone in the Web3 space, I want to be as accessible as possible. And well, there's been lots of stuff going on. I've been thinking a lot about the channel. I've been thinking a lot about how I can bring bigger, better, and more accessible content to you guys. And also, I've had a lot of stuff going on. I've been spreading the good word of NFTs to the masses at lots of different speaking events. I've been going out there, meeting incredible people in Web3, and I've been busy building a brilliant new studio, which is partly done behind me. You'll be seeing more of that evolve as we go along. And also, I've been a little bit busy minting my very own one of one as well, due next month. So I'm really excited. It's going to be a hectic, crazy, wonderful Web3 time. Now, what's going to happen with the channel moving forward? Well, I wanted to jump on here and tell you exactly what that is. I'm still going to bring you some great content around NFTs, but the world of Web3 is so much bigger. And with that, I want to make sure that anyone that wants to step into Web3 in lots of different capacities, whether you're a creator, whether you're a newbie to the space altogether, whether you're a business or a brand, I want to be able to bring lots of content that will really help suit you. So you'll see loads of fantastic new videos about all different areas of Web3, NFTs, Metaverse, and beyond. And if you have any questions or if you want to see any particular videos, I want you to leave me a comment below as well and tell me exactly what you want to see, because this channel is for you. And I want to make NFTs, the Metaverse, Web3, decentralization, everything, DeFi, all of that easy for you to understand and digest, and I need your help to do that. So I'm sorry I've taken a little bit of time off. I am back and raring to go, and please tell me what you want to see. So until next time, I'll see you then.